Hi friends, what's up? This is Dr. from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to clear keyboard history on iPhone and iPad. Your iPhone keyboard history can be deleted by resetting the keyboard dictionary. You can't undo the process, so make sure you want to delete your keyboard history before you finalize the deletion. After deleting your keyboard history, your iPhone keyboard dictionary will be in the same state as when you first got your phone. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. In the Settings menu, scroll down a bit and select General. Then scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen and then select Transfer or Reset iPhone or iPad. Now select Reset. Then tap on Reset Keyboard Dictionary. If prompted, make sure to enter your device passcode to proceed. And finally, tap on Reset Dictionary in the pop-up to confirm the action, and you are good to go. Note that you can't undo this process. Once you tap Reset Dictionary, it will permanently delete your keyboard history. So keep this important thing in your mind. After the reset, the keyboard dictionary will slowly learn your habits and store new words to enhance your typing experience or help you type faster. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily reset keyboard dictionary on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time.